Imagine being able to transform a simple wood into a 3D work of art that looks like it came out of a pop art museum. All you need is colored plywood and a laser. Today, I'll show you how to create these works of art in less than an hour. Are you ready? Then hit like and let's get started. Hello everyone and welcome to this new video from Free Dreams 106 channel. Today we are going to create together a laser project, but not with just any material, because in this video we are going to use a very special type of wood, colored plywood from Creatorally. So today I'm going to show you how to use this set of panels to create a 3D work of art from start to finish. The idea? A layer art with a black background and green and gold accents in a mandala style. Let's cut the chase and get into it. So let's start with the star of this video, the material. To create a 3D work of art that gives a beautiful illusion of depth, I decided to use Creatorally colored plywood. Creatorally offers this fantastic set that includes 8 really beautiful colors. We have black, white, red, green, blue, yellow, pink and gold. The panels are colored on both sides and the surface is very smooth. Look how beautiful they are. They are super shiny. These are 30 by 30 centimeters panels with a 3 millimeters thickness. Perfect also for a diode laser that is not too powerful, such as a 10 watts. For this project, for example, I will use my 33 watts Acme P2 to make the process even faster, but you can use whatever machine you have. However, I will leave you the link to the review of this machine above in case you are interested. Now that we have all the materials we need, let's move on to creating the design. To generate the SVGs, I used a really interesting website called Vector.dead. The advantage and unique feature of this site is that it allows us to create mandalas with a custom shape and choose the internal designs we like best. Of course, I'll leave all the links below, both to this fantastic website and to this wonderful material. Let's see how it works. Open the website and you will see this screen. Here you can choose from 8 different types of mandalas. I choose the elephant-shaped one. Once you have selected the template, this page will open and this is where the magic happens. As you can see on the left, we have everything we can change, including the 3 internal layers and the mandala shape. As we start selecting the designs we like best, the preview in the center will update automatically. Now we can import the outline we want into Graphic. I recommend downloading outlines without a background in PNG format. You can easily search for the graphics you prefer on Google by adding PNG at the end. I import what I want to use for my picture, which in this case is the $sign. We can really have fun and try all the combinations of designs available. We can also have the option to change the size of the designs, enlarging them to the dimensions we prefer or moving them using these arrows. Once you are satisfied, click on Download and then select Download Layer SVGs to download the different separate layers. I also recommend downloading the preview image in JPEG or PNG format so that you have a reference if you need it. Okay, we have our design. All we have to do now is prepare it and send it to print. For this video, I will use Acme tool, Acme's software, but you can use any program you prefer such as light burn. The important thing is that you set all the SVGs as cuts if you want a beautiful 3D effect. From the software, we can also simulate the color combination to use to get a preview of the final result. I decided to use 3 of the 4 layers generated by the website because honestly I really like the picture that way, but you can experiment. Creatorally has included a sheet with the recommended settings for both engraving and cutting these panels for different diode modules, a detail that I really appreciate. My Acme P2 is between 20 and 40 watts, so I will use 600 mm per minute at 90% power with the air assistant enabled. All that's left to do is send it to print. If you are enjoying this video, remember that you can give the channel a huge boost with a small gesture such as leaving a like below or a comment. Thank you so much for your support. Here we are with all the pieces for our 3D work of art. As you can see, I used 3 colors, black for the base, gold for the inner layer and green for the top layer. The cuts came out perfect, no burn marks, really great material. I also added a small hole to the base so that I can hang the picture on the wall, as you can see. Okay, now we just need to glue the layers together. I'm going to use Pattex wood glue, but you can use whatever glue you prefer. If you want, you can also use clamps to hold the pieces in place while the glue dries. Please don't do what I usually do and use a liter of glue. Now let's leave it to dry. And look how beautiful the final result is. It turned out great and I'm thrilled with this project. In less than an hour, we went from a simple idea to a physical product. It's really crazy. The colors of this plywood are super bright and saturated, really beautiful. One thing I particularly appreciate about Creatorally plywood is that it's nice and flat, no warped as it is often the case with cheaper materials. Colored plywood opens a whole world of possibilities. You can make pictures like this, colorful 3D models, or backgrounds for engravings. It really is a nice addition to a workshop and a very versatile material that gives our project an extra touch compared to classic plywood. Let me show you a couple more projects I've made with this colored plywood, which are these 2 pictures, and they are really beautiful in my opinion. I honestly love the gold panel, it's fantastic and hard to find anywhere else. You can choose between the 8 color set or 2 color packs in different combinations. Creatorally also offers a whole range of interesting and unique laser materials, such as these 2-tone coasters, acrylic with different finishes, rubber, and much more. So, let me know in the comments below if you are interested in a new video dedicated to a special Creatorally material. I'm really happy with the final result, but I'm curious, will you make a 3D picture too? Let me know below, And if you like the video, you might also be interested in this.